Hey guys, Omega Bunny back here, and we're going to continue our doggy adventure once again. For the wait, yeah, I'm back. Wow, it gets saved. It has to get saved. I'm buggy. I have 44 bugs, by the way. That's amazing. I forgot what I have to do now. Yo, oh, you're not giving me anything. Bark. Yeah, give me. Yeah, my thing has gone higher. What I have to? Oh yeah, that the what it was? Oh, it's a toy in the bathroom. The door is locked. That toy is there. To get it, there has to be some way over here. It's a strange flower. What is strange flower? Is there a gap between this or notes and photos attached to the fridge? Yep, it's an over gas stove. Anything over here? Wait, dustbin. Dustbin. There has to be some key so I can open it. Wait, do I? I'm hungry. I used to eat a lot of mice back then. Yuck. Wait, what? No. Language level 17, guys. The door is locked. Hey, Mo, do you happen to know? We dog love bugs. Bugs are a good source. Woof woof. There's not enough woof in dog food. Woof me, woof bugs. Then I'll give you woof woof. Okay, I need some more. Bark. Bark. Now that might be enough. We dogs love bugs. Bugs are a good source of protein. Okay. There's not enough protein in dog food. Bring me woof bugs. Then I'll give you a huge gift. Okay, the number of bugs I need now. Woof. Oh. Okay, now 100 bugs. Are you kidding me? Wait, now he'll give me something. Oh, thanks. Gave to another person. Nah. I'll do it. I did it. Hehehe. Hehehe. It was a very good choice to learn this technique. The name of the new technique is... Seriously? You! No! What? Farting! Really, how is that going to attract bugs? Oh, okay. I learned farting. Ha! Ha! I hope the next... Oh my goodness. The picture! You. That is funny. Oh good. Oh wow, my fart is so amazing. Sound. A lot of fun. Yay! Wow, I can fart at the same time. My language is 21. I like to fart and bark. Bark, bark. Ah shit, where's the bowl? I need bowl. I'm sitting on it. That's fun. Yay, come to me all buggies. I think so we'll be having enough. Oh yeah, we have enough. Come, be attracted by my fart. That's amazing. Oh, come all buggies, you give me monies. I like that. Bark, bark. They all become evil when the food comes. Okay, now I got the mouse. What? No, how much? Wait, bark, bark. Yay. I like to fart. Yay. I knew it, he would give me something. Wait, that means I got 200 more bugs. Bark, bark. Come on, run, 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 run. Block him. Bark, bark. Come on, just run, 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 run. Now it must be enough, I guess. Hello. Let me introduce myself now. My name is Wolf. No, please. Why? You seem to be a quite useful guy. Just voted for Woof Woof. Ah, come on. Bark, bark. Yeah. I want to fart again. I just like to fart. Hey, hey, hey. So many bugs come to me when I fart. Can I fart sometime more? I just want to keep on farting and barking. Can I fart while eating? That would be weird. Oh, I got 200 more bugs. That's amazing. But yeah, I like to fart. So the bugs come and then I'll relish. No, forget what I just said just now. Anyway, I'll catch more bugs by farting. Yeah. Come all to me and I'll give you some farting. Yay! Bark! I got 300. Oh, eat, before they come. Bark, bark. I'm like so happy when I get food. Oh no. Bark one more. I wish I could like just fart and everybody does not get the gas. They're just minding their own business. Yay, just come to me. Come, because I farted. Oh wow, I got 400 more. Now, oh, your name is James. Keep in mind, you seem to be quite a useful guy. You're suited for my messenger. Yay! Catch bugs diligently. What is the meaning of diligent? Wait, what? Oh, farting with the and eating at the same time is amazing. Can I now? Can I fart on him? Bug. Wait, what? Ah, come on. James, don't do this. Bug. My language is 35. Let me fart on him. Wait, let me get in the right posture. Ha ha ha, it went to you. $500. Half, what? I don't know. How many times did I do it? Oh, okay, you lost count of your jumps. Catch the bugs diligently. What do you mean? I'll fart on your face. I don't even. I think so. I didn't check what is wrong. Wait, 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 wait. Block them, block them. Hey, I block by jumping every time. I'm eating too much of that. Wait, is this door open? Oh, it's not even door. I can go outside now. I thought I'm going outside. No. Is there a door over here so I can go? Wait. Yeah? Guys, I'm back. I just wanted to check what's the meaning of diligently. It's I think purposely. Um.